Leaving the South Dock complex, we enter the estuary of the River Towie. Although a relatively short river, flowing a distance of less than 30 miles from its source in the foothills of the Brecon Beacons near the world-famous Daniel Ogof Caves, the river has played a huge part in the industrial development of the area. To the right, a line of orange barrels indicates where a tidal barrage was constructed across the Towie in the early 1990s. At that time, it was the first barrage across a tidal river in the UK. At the right-hand end of the barrage is the Towie Lock, through which the many pleasure craft we have seen will pass to access Swansea Bay and the Bristol Channel. The construction of the barrage has transformed the whole aspect of the area, with water being held back, forming a fairly constant level within the tidal reaches of the lower Towie Valley. That said, Swansea and the Bristol Channel has the second highest rise and fall of tide in the world, with a maximum range of 10.4 metres, second only to the Bay of Fundy in Nova Scotia's 16.3 metre range. Any incoming tide over 8 metres results in the water coming over the barrage, reversing the river flow upstream. Copperjack is unable to operate in tide levels up to 9.4 metres. Any tide above that renders it impossible for us to navigate under the bridges we travel under on our route. We now head upstream, passing the busy Swansea Yacht Club Marina to our left. The building overlooking the marina is now home to the Swansea Yacht and Sub Aqua Club. When the docks were in commercial operation, it functioned as an impounding station, which pumped water in from the river into the South Dock Basin to maintain adequate water levels for ships using the docks and for continued operation of the lock gates. Among the new developments on our right, you will observe the long black roof of the Jay's Shed, which, for a number of years, housed Swansea's fish market. The refurbished building is now comprised of offices and a number of restaurants which overlook the Prince of Wales Dock. Directly ahead of us is the sail bridge, which opened in June 2003 to provide a pedestrian and cycle link between the old town and the developing SA1 area. On the right, the red brick Victorian building, complete with chimney stack, is now a restaurant with housing above. It was originally built as an ice factory around 1880, supplying ice to Swansea's substantial fishing fleet and local fishmongers to help fish keep in prime condition. Italian cafes also used it for the production of ice cream. On the left, the yellow brick building was originally Swansea's first Guildhall. Built in 1825, it now houses the Dillon Thomas Centre and is managed by Swansea University.